Hello guys, today I have got a Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to clean them. So, you need to clean your earbuds properly. Remember, don't use water, don't use any liquids like bleach or something. Use only ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Don't use vodkas or some whiskeys, please don't. Only ethyl or only isopropyl because these don't conduct the electricity, so you need to use these two only. So apart from that, what I do recommend to have is to get this cleaner like this. This is a Temu cleaner, what I bought of course on Temu many years ago. And now here I've got one brush like this and my alcohol of course here. And so here I've got cotton swabs, which I do recommend to get also. So let's maybe use two for now. And now we are prepared. So at first open the case, and of course you can use soft cloth, but I will bring that in a moment. So now at first take both earbuds out of the case. Get the alcohol in your hands. It's difficult to open it, and I have no idea why. Okay, now it's working. Excellent. Okay, so now spray, but not directly on the earbuds. Spray some of it on this brush and close it again. Here, now clean the inside. I mean, I prefer that this brush could be actually harder, not that soft, but this one can be too. You need to brush this very delicately, very politely, so that it will be clean. And be patient, remember to be patient. Here and here. And if you see that you can't get dirt from inside, like here, you can get this cotton swabs and wipe it like this right here. When it comes to the outside, here you can spray one spray of the alcohol, but with caution, like this, and again with this brush. Here delicately, very softly, delicately, every single part of it. And now let's go to the charging port. Of course, I don't recommend to use here any liquids, but you can use this alcohol, ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, spray inside 1 or 2 times, and then wipe it using this brush. So now, of course, if you do this longer, it should be clean and good. Let's move to the earbuds now. Take the cotton swab and wipe here inside of it, inside the ear tip here, now on one end and the outside. You can spray one time with the isopropyl alcohol, or just give it a one tap and go ahead. Here the spot, especially with this cotton swab, and you need to do the same to the second earbud. Let me get this brush like this, and you need to do the same to the second one. You can take this ear tip off and then clean the speaker grill itself also. That's it. Goodbye.